Me this about this device because I see this is different.
Sit down here.
There's a seat. The other kayaks don't have a hole.
No, so but that will go down. I'll help you now.
This the pedal.
Close, but I'm gonna show you.
And what's this fin back here?
This fin goes here, goes here. Back. And here's the control. This is how you're gonna control it from here. You see?
Okay.
Right here, right here. And this one, I'm gonna put this down.
All right, cool. Something a little different.
Ready.
All right, I gotta get the hang of this one. So you stare this over here. That's how you go left, right. And yeah, hey, this is a good ass workout. I'll tell you that.